Okay. Hello everyone, it's Dino, and I am here with my friends, my idiot friends. Which one of them has a really loud mic. And now people are joining. That's great. Okay. Oh god. Okay. More okay. Start. Okay, you're an idiot. Start. Please. No. Why? Oh god. So I'm here with Skeptical, whatever, and Toriaraki. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but you... Shut up. Can you shut up for once? Electrical. Where the heck is electrical? Okay, yeah, we all have... I'm pretty sure... I don't know. Why should I tell you? Are you okay? My guy, Dino. Yes, both of us, we have to name Dino. Electrical, where we all die. Yeah.
I died immediately.
You died? No!
Yeah. Electrical.
I'm just gonna say that. Oh god. I will not
tell you the imposter because
he
that would
faked
spoil the
weapon.
game.
And proof. Okay, I really don't know. Blue. I guess. I'm just voting random people because I can't tell. I'm an idiotic person. Okay, we're just vibing. We're vibing, okay. Still don't know why they call themselves that. I'm the only one who faked elbow. He left the game. Bruh, that's stupid. No, I got disconnected. Oh god, are we doing this again? Please don't tell me we're doing this again. I don't want to. Oh my god. Okay, well, I guess I am lonely. Yay. I guess I'll just go find myself a server. No. Is it? Oh. Hello? Oh, okay, there we go. My Wi-Fi went down for like a few seconds. Oh god. Hold up. I'm getting in. Online, tell me when the, game starts, cause my Wi-Fi just went down. Oh god, why am I, oh dang it. Just go to an order, whatever you call. What is going on there? Bro, why do you have a... Bro. Why are we walking so slow? We're just walking. Oh god, okay. Yeah, something's going on there. Bro, yeah, that's what people do. They just start to leave.
Yes.
Mine just went down. Can I just die for like multiple seconds? I am walking so slow. Oh, okay, there we go. Do we have any more tasks in electrical? Oh god. It's taking me an hour for this to actually get this done. Oh god.
Are you gonna type in code or what?
Oh god, leave game. Here. Okay, there we go. I'm in. Oh dang it, I'm purple. Okay, what else? Red. Sure, yes, I go as red. Dang it, okay. Okay, I'm in the server. Yeah, I'm in the server. What? Okay.
Where did you go, child? Guess I'm gonna die immediately whenever I do this. I have feeling for
Oh crap! No! No! Crap!
Number one rule in Among Us: always be paranoid.
Number one.
He's calling you out.
Yeah, he just did. Oh my god. Oops. No, I can't get spelled.
Sorry, Kyle.
That.
That boat fight is nice.
Oh god. Yeah, y'all caught me. Good job. Good job. I suck at that. I really do suck. I don't know who is the imposter actually. I wonder who. Actually, I wonder who it is. Wait, no. Actually, I forgot. Someone's probably dead. Oh. No! Why do people that are dead just leave the game? That's really stupid, though.
But you could have killed the body before.
Oh god, I don't think none of us is gonna win. Alright, okay, we're back.
I think he's about to
I'm dead. Dead. I wonder who it is. I really wonder who it is. We start now. Crap. Okay, it was a tie. It was a tie. You know? I don't know. Okay, this is happening now. Okay, yeah, this is happening. This is happening. Oh my god. What are you doing? Expect your what? No. Why would I? Oh, okay, there we go. I don't want to go on Netflix. Okay, what's going on here? Oh god, I have to pause the recording so it doesn't. Okay, now we're back to this. Oh god, okay. Our sad oh god, dang it. Our person has to leave. Oh god, where even are you? Where even are you? Okay. Bro, what's going on? Is this wait, hold up. I'm confused. Oh, okay, it's not glitched. Black. I know it. Yep. Okay, victory! It was victory! Whoa! Yay!
Banned for hacking.
Okay.
I don't know. I just got banned for hacking. Oh, let's start a new lobby.
Okay, well, goodbye everyone. It's the end of the video because I don't really know. But goodbye. See ya. Yes, I am done.